Hello everyone, today we're going to do Chapter 7, the solution of fractional expression of exercise 2 from the sheet 2. This lesson is for grade 9, prepared by teacher Imad Hamaidan and registered by Ahmed Hamad. So please stay focused and let's start. Given f of x is equal to 5x plus 4 squared minus 3x plus 2 times 5x plus 4 minus x plus 1 times 5x plus 4. First of all, we have to factorize f of x, so we have to take a common factor of f of x. To solve the equation, f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 9x plus 8. 3. Consider a square ABEF of side 5x plus 4. DCEF is a rectangle such that EC is equal to 2x plus 2 and x is larger than minus 2 over 3. A. Justify that BC is equal to 3x plus 2. B. Write in terms of x the areas of ABEF, ABCD, and the triangle MFE. C. Deduce that the shaded area P is equal to f of x. D. Calculate x so that the area P is equal to the area of the rectangle ABCD. 4. Let g of x is equal to f of x over x minus 3 squared minus 16. So A. Determine the values of x so that g of x is defined. Simplify g of x. B. Solve the equation g of x is equal to 1 over 8. First of all, we have to factorize f of x. As we see, we have f of x is equal to 5x plus 4 squared minus 3x plus 2 times 5x plus 4 minus x plus 1 times 5x plus 4. As we notice, we have in each term 5x plus 4, so we can take 5x plus 4 as common factor because we are factorizing, so we have to take a common factor. So the common factor here is 5x plus 4 because it exists in each item or in each term. So 5x plus 4 times the remaining things in each term. So the remaining in the first term is 5x plus 4 minus 3x plus 2 minus x plus 1. Inside the bigger parentheses, we remove the smaller parentheses and we do some calculation. We add the unknowns together, the x's together, and the real numbers together. So the final answer will be 5x plus 4 times x plus 1. 2. Solve the equation f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 9x plus 8. If we said that f of x is equal to 5x plus 4 times x plus 1, this is the answer that we got previously, is equal to 4x squared plus 9x plus 8. First of all, we have to develop or expand the answer that we got previously. So 5x squared plus 5x plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 4x squared plus 9x plus 8. So we switch all the x's and all the numbers to the left of the equal and we put it equal to 0. We add the x squared together, the x's together, and the numbers together. So the final answer will be x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. And as we know, 4 is equal to 2 squared. So we consider it as a squared minus b squared. That gives us the answer a minus b times a plus b. So the answer will be x minus 2 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. And here we have each term is equal to 0 and we got two answers of x. Either x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 2. (3a) Justify that BC is equal to 3x plus 2. BC here is equal to BE, all the side BE, minus CE. That remains underneath. And as we know, BC is equal to 5x plus 4 minus 2x plus 2. 5x plus 4 is BE, and 2x plus 2 is CE. So BC is equal to the subtraction of these two terms. We remove the parentheses and then we do the calculation to obtain BC is equal to 3x plus 2. B. Write in terms of x the areas of ABEF, ABCD, and the triangle MFE. The area of ABEF, which is the whole shape, is equal, which is a square, is equal to a side times a side, or AB squared, which is equal to 5x plus 4 squared. This is the area of ABEF in terms of x. What about the area of ABCD? ABCD is a rectangle, so the area will be the length times the width. So AB times BC, which is equal to 5x plus 4 times 3x plus 2. Now the area of MFE, which is the white triangle underneath. It's equal to base times the height over 2. The base is FE and the height is CE. So CE times FE over 2. And the answer will be 2x plus 2 times 5x plus 4 over 2. So we can take 2 as common factor from the numerator and we remove it with the denominator. So the final answer will be x plus 1 times 5x plus 4. C. Deduce that the shaded area P is equal to f of x. The shaded area is the area of ABEF minus the area of ABCD minus the area of MFE. All these areas we got them previously in the previous question. So P is equal to 5x plus 4 squared minus 5x plus 4 times 3x plus 2 minus x plus 1 times 5x plus 4, which is f of x that we started this exercise from. And this is the reduced form or factorized form. So the area of the triangle MFE is equal to 5x plus 4 times x plus 1. Decalculate x so that the area P is equal to the area of the rectangle ABCD. So P is equal to 5x plus 4 times 3x plus 2. P is equal to 5x plus 4 times x plus 1, which is equal to the area of the rectangle ABCD, which is 5x plus 4 times 3x plus 2. We take everything to the left of the equal. We take a common factor as 5x plus 4 as a common factor. So 5x plus 4 times x plus 2 minus 3x plus 2. We do some calculations inside the bigger parentheses. We add the x's together and the numbers together and we get the final answer. So 5x plus 4 times minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So each term must be equal to 0 and we have two answers of x. X is either x is equal to minus 4 over 5 or x is equal to minus 1 over 2. But as we said previously, x has to be bigger than minus 2 over 3. So x is equal to minus 4 over 5 is rejected and x is equal to minus 1 over 2 is accepted. 4a. Determine the values of x so that g of x is defined and then simplify g of x. G of x is equal to f of x over x minus 3 squared minus 16. So it's equal to 5x plus 4 times x plus 1, which is f of x, minus x minus 3 minus 4 times x minus 3 plus 4. So we considered that 16 is equal to 4a, determine the values of x so that g of x is defined, and then simplify g of x. G of x is equal to f of x over x minus 3 squared minus 16. So it's equal to 5x plus 4 times x plus 1, which is f of x, minus x minus 3 minus 4 times x minus 3 plus 4. So we considered that 16 is equal to 4 squared, and we applied the rule that says a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. After some calculations, the answer will be 5x plus 4 times x plus 1 over x minus 7 times x plus 1. So g of x is defined for x minus 7 times x plus 1 is different than 0. So each term of these two terms must be different than 0. X minus 7 is different than 0, and x plus 1 must be different than 0. So x must be different than 7, and x must be different than minus 1. And g of x is equal to 5x plus 4 over x minus 7, because we can remove the x plus 1 from the top and the bottom too simply, because they are equal. So the final answer, g of x is equal to 5x plus 4 over x minus 7. And this is the simplified form of g of x. B. Solve the equation g of x is equal to 1 over 8. So g of x is equal to 1 over 8. As we said previously, g of x is equal to 5x plus 4 over x minus 7 is equal to 1 over 8. We apply the cross multiplication to get 8 times 5x plus 4 is equal to x minus 7 times 1. We do some development to get 40x plus 32 is equal to x minus 7. We bring the x's before the equal and the numbers after the equal. So the final answer, we add the x's together and the number together to get 39x is equal to minus 31. So x is equal to minus 1. And this value, of course, is rejected.